maliwanag na ang PNO had prepared a secret plan o plan na pursuit to detain PRRD, including scenarios of arresting him either in Manila or Davao. It also contained maps of properties of the former president, his partner, his allies, with arrows labeling the nearby streets where the PNP could access the property. Sana hihingi ako ng kopya nitong 80-page plan called Operation Pursuit. At gusto ko rin sana malaman, katulad ng sambayanan, kung kailan nag-umpisa to. Dahil obviously, itong Operation Pursuit was concocted weeks, if not months before March 11. Panay ang sabi nila, nagulantang daw sila nung dumating nung March 11 ng umaga. Pero, mukhang hindi naman yata totoo to. Hindi naman yung Interpol o yung diffusion notice na dumating ng March 11 ng 3 a.m. ang nag-umpisa nitong lahat. Kundi, nung nakaraang taon pa, Mayo pa lang, klarong-klaro na.
Madam Chair, may I move that this committee issue a subpoena duces tecum to the PNP to produce that document?
Madam Chair, before you rule on that, did the cabinet secretaries also submit already the whole video? Kasi they said last time
Putol.
na they will submit their version of the whole video. Kasi I agree with Senator Bato that any piece of evidence that is not confidential or does not violate national security should be handed over so that we can be fair to them, diba? We don't want to come out with reports then sasabihin nila ay hindi yan yung nasa buong video, ay hindi yan yung nasa plano, diba? So maybe we can request them, and then if they don't give it, then we subpoena it. But I submit to you, Madam Chair.
Yes, I'm in full agreement with both our senators. And certainly, the comment that there was no plan until they received the Interpol warrant or diffusion order is highly doubtful. Pati yung New York Times, alam yung balita tungkol sa plano. Bakit tayo walang maibigay na plano sa ating komite? Pagkatapos yung complete video na hinahanap ni Senator Cayetana, tama po kayo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nabigay.
Pero baka kasi kasama sa 80-page plan yung paghuli kay Senator Bato. So hindi talaga pwedeng ibigay muna sa atin.
Senator Bato, anong comment nyo dan? I'm waiting. Magkapit-bahay tayo O sige. Ang liwa-liwanag na meron talagang extensive and exhaustive plan, 80 pages. Then the administration was already anticipating the application for a warrant of arrest and the issuance thereof. It's also apparent there was some kind of communication and coordination with the ICC. It's well known that some officials of the DOJ, as well as high-placed officials from other departments and from other branches of government already visited The Hague and perhaps even met the president of the ICC in Japan. So we are very deeply concerned about this contradiction in the claims. Kasi ang liwa-liwanag na may communication and coordination na, tapos may sinasabi pang mga official channel through DOJ sa The Hague, backdoor channel. Bakit tinatago pa ng gobyerno? Tapos na to Tapos na ito, hindi na siya national security issue. How could the administration have known for weeks, if not months, in advance that the ICC will issue a warrant of arrest if, as claimed by the Secretary of Justice, the country was not communicating with the ICC? Parang hindi ka panipaniwala na gulat naman tayong lahat. So,